Hi, second graders. I'm here to go over a couple of the pages with you. In talking to a parent earlier today, I realized that I should go over Monday's page 104, compare and contrast, and Tuesday's page 105, compare and contrast. So if you want to pause this video and get your work packet out, the reading work packet, I'm going to just quickly go through that with you. So page 104, they both go with the story just like Josh Gibson. We're going to just take a minute and go through, and if you've already done it, which most of you probably have, you can just pause the video as you need to as we go along. If you need to fix something or need to take a second and look at it again. So it says, Rita and Will both love to play sports, but they do not like the same ones. Rita plays soccer. She enjoys the game because she likes to run. Will likes baseball. Unlike Rita, Will doesn't like to run much. He likes to hit the ball. So let's go down. Let's look at number 1. It says, underline the part of the story that tells how Rita and Will are alike. As you can see, I don't have my dot cam. I'm working from home today, but I can kind of just hold it up and show you the part of the story that tells how Rita and Will are alike. As I looked through, I found it right away. It was in the topic sentence. It says, Rita and Will both love to play sports. So I underlined it and then moved on to number 2. It says, write the name of the person who likes soccer. So in school, we've been talking about using the strategy of looking back. So I'm going to use the look back strategy, and I'm going to look for the keyword soccer to find out who likes soccer. Okay, so as I'm looking, I spotted it right away. I see where it says Rita plays soccer. So we want to write the name Rita on the line for number 2. And make sure that you use a capital letter R for the name Rita, because Rita is a name. So go ahead and write that down. Again, if I'm going too fast, too slow, feel free to pause the video. Number 3 says, write the name of the person who likes baseball. So looking back, I see where it says Will likes baseball. So go ahead and write the name Will on the line using a capital W for the name Will. It's not like the verb will. This is a name. So go ahead and write that. Number 4 says, write a sentence to compare and contrast how Rita and Will feel about running. Now, when we compare and contrast, we're looking for things that are the same and things that are different. Now, we know they both love to play sports. We've already tackled that in number 1. We underlined it. They both like to play sports, but where they kind of start to go their own way with things they both don't like is running. So when we're writing a sentence, we could write something like, Rita and Will both like sports, but do not both like running. You could have a sentence like that. I put another one on here just to, if you had something similar. Rita plays soccer because she likes to run, but Will plays baseball because he doesn't like to run. So you could have something different, but make sure that you mention that they both like sports, but they both don't like running. Something along those lines. Number 5 and 6. We're going to use what we know about sports. Some of us know a lot about sports. Some of us don't know a lot about sports. But it says, think about what you read. List another sport that Rita and Will might like. So Rita might like basketball because she likes to run. And in basketball, there's a lot of running up and down the basketball court. So for my sentence, I would write Rita, and I would finish it. Rita might like basketball because she likes to run, period. All right. You think about a sport for Will that doesn't involve a lot of running, which that's kind of hard to do, but you'll have to kind of think a little bit on that. Will might like maybe golf or something like that. because golfing doesn't involve a lot of running. So think of a sport that doesn't involve a lot of running and write that in for number 6. Will might like golf, period. Make sure you end your sentences with a period. And if you need any more help, you can go on to the next video for page 105, and I'm going to go through that with you too. Thanks, guys.